Searching for the best AI stock trading software and overwhelmed by choices that all promise the world? You're not alone. Trade Ideas and TrendSpider are two top contenders, but their approach to AI trading is fundamentally different. After months of thoroughly testing with real capital, I discovered one platform consistently turned AI signals into clear, executable, and profitable trades, while the other left me with just more charts. If you want clarity over complexity and profitable signals over just charts, this is a must watch. Alright, let's get straight into what really separates these platforms. When you're looking for the best AI stock trading software, you're not just buying a fancy chart tool. You're choosing a system that will either find you profitable trades or leave you confused with overcomplicated signals. And Trade Ideas and TrendSpider are built for two very different types of traders. Let's start with Trade Ideas. This isn't just a scanner or a charting platform. It's an AI signal factory built for the active trader. It's designed for someone who wants the AI to do all the heavy lifting of finding the opportunities and fast. The core of Trade Ideas is Holly, its AI engine. So Holly scans the entire market in real time and pushes specific buy and sell alerts directly to you. The magic is in its focus on actionable output. It's built to answer the question, what should I trade right now? If your priority is getting clear, AI-driven trade ideas that you can act on immediately, Trade Ideas is engineered for you. But don't just take my word for it. The feedback from traders using this AI stock trading software tells the real story. I was digging through user experiences, and I found one from a trader that perfectly captures the benefit. He said that he was a beginner, and Trade Ideas helped him narrow down opportunities that he would have otherwise missed, making him a better trader overall. He loved the channel bar for switching trading styles and how customizable everything was, and that matches my testing perfectly. It's about turning market noise into clear, tradable signals. Now, TrendSpider is a different beast. It's first and foremost really just a powerhouse for technical analysis that later added AI features. Its strength is in automated charting, pattern recognition, and deep multi-time frame analysis. The AI here is used more for validating patterns and backtesting complex strategies. If your main goal is to automate your own technical analysis, draw trend lines automatically, and have a superb charting workspace to build your own systems, this AI bot for stock trading has its place. A user review I found really highlighted this, calling the AI stock trading platform a paradise for serious traders, and praising the integration of AI for natural language commands and its powerful scanner and backtesting. So, who are these best AI trading software options for? If you're an active trader, maybe a day trader or a swing trader who wants AI to deliver ready to use trade ideas and to speed up your decision making, I think your match is Trade Ideas. It's like having a high powered AI stock trading bot working for you. If you might be this technical analyst who loves deep charting, who wants to automate your own strategy development and uses AI as more of a research assistant, then TrendSpider is more built for that. Okay, now let's look at what you're actually getting when you sign up. I tested every major feature, and the split here is huge between an AI that gives you direct trading signals and an AI that helps you analyze. If you believe the best AI stock trading software should tell you what and when to trade, then Trade Ideas is a powerhouse. The standout here, obviously, is the Holly AI I just mentioned. You can actually go and look at Holly's recent trade records on their site, so it's not even a black box. You can see how it works. They show you real examples of its signals catching moves. So this transparency is huge for trust. You can see how it works. You have all the features built around this core AI, and you can see where everything goes. The AI long-term strategy trades window lets you track Holly's picks beyond a single day too, which is great for swing traders. One feature I use constantly is the real-time stock race tool as well. It's this brilliant, simple way to visualize what is moving right now, turning a list of stocks into a clear race so that you can spot winners instantly. It fights information overload. Then there's the Money Machine tool. This is Trade Ideas' fully automated trading engine. It allows traders to implement their entire trading strategies from identifying signals all the way through order routing and risk management all in one place. And once configured, Money Machine can automate the execution. This is next level stuff for someone who wants a true AI stock trading bot handling the execution for them. Their oddsmaker backtesting tool is also integrated right in, so you can test how Holly's strategies or your own would have performed, which closes the loop between idea and validation. I found this review from a trader who's used it for a few years, calling this stock trading AI bot an essential tool that he uses daily. Here's this other user who said it was the biggest breakthrough in his trading, keeping him in good setups and out of bad markets. That is the real world result you want from AI trading software. It acts as a filter for opportunity. Now let's look at TrendSpider's features. Its crown jewel is its charting and automation. So let's go through that. The automated trend lines and pattern recognition are really time savers here. Their AI strategies feature is interesting. It lets you build or use AI models that predict whether a price is more likely to hit a take profit before a stop loss. Their strategy tester for backtesting is also very powerful and visual, great for optimizing your own ideas. The market scanner is really robust, and tools like heat maps to find support and resistance are excellent for that kind of analysis. I found a user review that I saw captured this really well, saying that it's fantastic for charting with impressive AI features that they couldn't find anywhere else, and he was very excited for future updates. So I think where TrendSpider is strong in being a world-class analytical workshop, it does require you to be the strategist. Unlike Trade Ideas as Holly, which provides the final trade idea at the end, TrendSpider gives you incredibly powerful tools to build and test your own, and you do it all yourself. So for some, that's perfect, but for others, it's more work that they don't want to do. So when you line up all the core features for someone seeking the best AI for stock trading, the direct, actionable signal generation of trade ideas, especially with tools like the money machine for automation, just creates a significant gap for the trader who wants results and not just more analysis and paralysis. It's not just a tool, it's a trade finding partner. But of course, no AI stock trading platform is perfect. You need to know the downsides before choosing any of these AI based stock trading apps. For trade ideas, one complaint I've seen is about the user interface feeling outdated and the test drive not giving full access. This particular user even called the graphics low res and the experience clunky. In my months of thorough testing, I get the UI point. It's functional and packed with data. It's not necessarily sleek and minimalist, though. But for me, the trade off is worth it because the data and signals are what make money. As for the test drive, it's true some advanced features are limited, but it's a trial. It's meant to give you a taste of the core scanning and Holly AI alerts, which it does. You're testing the engine, not every single premium add on. It's still the best way to try before you buy a full subscription. For TrendSpider, a common point was the learning curve. One user said that he couldn't know how to use the complex system of Signal and AI. So this highlights that this AI for stock trading can be a deep, powerful platform to use. It's not a simple app that you open and start trading from in minutes, and it can take some time to learn. They do offer huge amounts of training, like TrendSpider University and one-on-one sessions, so you can check that out if you want to know more, but the reality is you will need to invest time to unlock its full value. When it comes to pricing, Trade Ideas is positioned as a premium AI stock trading bot for serious active traders. You're paying for the live AI signals and the scanning and automation. For a trader whose profits depend on catching moves, the value of the subscription can be justified pretty quickly. TrendSpider is also a premium AI trading software, and it reflects that advanced charting and analysis capabilities that it has. So, for the latest, most accurate pricing plans and any trial offers on these AI stock trading platforms, make sure to check the link in the description below for the specific price. We do keep them updated so you can make a smart decision in the moment and find the best AI stock trading software for your budget without overpaying. So, after all of this testing, where does that leave us in the hunt for the best AI stock trading software? Well, if your goal is true professional grade AI signal generation, where the software actively finds and alerts you to the high probability trades and even offers full automation, then Trade Ideas is the AI stock trading app for you. So, yeah, for turning AI promise into clear, actionable trading signals consistently, my vote goes to Trade Ideas. It provided the most direct path to leveraging AI for trading results. So, if you want to get started and to explore any current offers, make sure to use those links in the description below.